Hello there, welcome back. If you're wondering why I'm talking a little bit quieter today, it's because I'm trying this new thing called ASMR. ASMR? Can't be right. Yeah, that's what I have written here. Just kidding, it's just getting late at night and I don't want to make too much noise. Anyways, today's video was highly requested. Actually, just one person requested it, but it was a really good request. So today I'm going to be doing a dark/light academia hairstyles video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariel, and I do videos on fashion every week. I'm trying to post twice a week now, and I have a lot of these dark academia videos, so if you're interested in the dark academia aesthetic, I'll link those down in the description below if you want to check them out, and subscribe to my channel for more of these. Or don't, I'll only be mildly offended. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? So this first look is inspired by the OG academia bitch herself, Belle from Beauty and the Beast. JK. But actually though? So this is a super easy look. I started off with my hair curled just to give it some texture, and I just parted my hair down the middle, and on one side I started with a small section and twisted it away from my face, adding more hair with each twist until you get to the back of your neck. Then I temporarily bobby pinned it in place so I can go twist the other side. Once you get to the back on the other side, take out those bobby pins and just tie it all together in a low ponytail. And in the front, I left these two strands of hair to frame my face and make it a little more Belle and a little less founding father. Then this is optional, but I just added this blue ribbon. Next, I have a couple of easy half updos. The first one is sort of the same concept as the low ponytail, just twisting two sections away from your face and tying it in the back and adding a ribbon. The second option is to bring those two sections together and braid them together. I did a normal 3-section braid, but I think this would also look cute as a fishtail braid. For this third look, I took this long ribbon and tied it around my head like a headband. I didn't tie it too tight, you'll see why soon. And then I bobby pinned one side just temporarily to make sure it stays in place. Then on the other side, I took a section of hair and started carefully wrapping it around the headband. Repeat with sections of the same size until you get to the back. Now since my hair is pretty short, my back layers couldn't wrap around the headband well, so I just bobby pinned those up. And then I took out the bobby pins on the other side from earlier and repeated these steps. This also works with a stretchy headband, but I like the ribbon for this particular look. It's also a great way to get some heatless curls if you sleep with your hair like this overnight. this is another simple look, and it's just a French braid. I won't go into too much detail because I'm pretty sure there's plenty of tutorials out there already on how to French braid your hair, but basically I just braided it with fairly large sections for a loose braid. And of course, I left 2 strands in the front, again like 2 little antennas to frame my face. And again, this is optional, but I added a ribbon at the end. Finally, I really wanted to throw in a vintage-inspired hairstyle, but I kind of failed miserably. But I still wanted to leave it in here just to give you guys an idea, and hopefully you can execute it better. But basically I took 2 sections on the front of my head, sprayed them with hairspray and teased them, then slowly rolled up that section, bobby pinning as I go. I already knew this wasn't looking so hot, but I went and tried to do the same to the other side anyways. I think what might have helped is if I used smaller sections and brushed out my curls with a paddle brush so they aren't so separated and look more like those classic 1940s waves. Anyways, I sincerely hope you can do better victory rolls than me, but I tried. This looks ugly as fuck, doesn't it? Ugh. I wish I could do victory rolls good. Oh well. At least you get the idea. You can try this at home if you want. Hopefully you could do it better than me. I look like I have horns. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment down below, and give me some suggestions for future Dark Academia videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks, see you in the next one.